What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know what's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production. And I we say attack. So people, you don't know, so we drop the video and I showcase say what go on after news release. So yo, Usain Bolt contracted the COVID thing and be something. People, well, actually people, I have two videos to showcase to you right now. Zane, I have a video with a voice note explaining what them say really go on with Usain Bolt. You understand? And so comes the news release and thing. You know what I mean? That's why we say it is alleged, say the man contract the COVID thing. And then people, we also have a video with Usain Bolt explaining a local thing. You know what I mean? Based on to the news that go out there and thing. And I'm kind of curious about the whole thing where I must say go on people and like say I'm not really understand the fullest and this and that and I be something people. But we all know say there was a party that was held for Usain Bolt 34th birthday and it should be a surprise party. Zine, so I have the thing that I go play the voice note video people, you understand, and then afterwards I go play the video with Bolt explaining what really go on. You know what I mean? Because you don't know the thing of yours and subscribers. We have to make you know the fullest of what go on. That's a NEWLINK do it. So attack them. Listen out.
His girlfriend Casey had planned a breakfast party for his birthday. So they have one magazine thing and thing. So everybody was posting on the day after or the day after birthday. Happy birthday, Bolt. Last year party was a hit and whatever. Last year them tiny or whatever. But ding dong, drop the kids. Everybody posted the videos of them dancing without the music. Ding Dong posted the video with the music and a coffee lockdown did a play. And we all know say lockdown never make last year August. Cause Corona never there last year August. So this year so he got in trouble with the law. One. Cause there's some investigation going on now. Until he has contracted Corona. So that's what happens when you're dishonest and no one do one of something. Or people want to them one of thing. Them couldn't just don't have a party and don't invite nobody, but because nobody know observe social distancing, everybody feel like say Corona can't catch them, lo and behold. I you not tell me say, but not take picture with everybody and laugh and ha. For them could drop it, them drop all about the place. I'm sorry for them.
Everybody has checked social media. Saw that social media saying I'm confirmed to have COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work, trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay for my friends. And also having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy, and just to make people know.
Yeah, people, so as you know hear now, on the ear where Bolt have to say, on the ear where the voice note got to say, right? So, boy, I don't know what really are going on, people, because the voice note has say a thing and the Usain Bolt say a different thing. You know what I mean? So in the end, people, honestly, I just hope the best for Usain Bolt. But honestly, what the voice note say people are a real thing. You know what I mean? The man, them have to really, you know what I mean, kind of deal with the thing different in a time like now. The bag of party thing, them thing they have to cut out. You know what I mean? The bag of crowd thing, and when them telling about social distance are a real thing. Because a lot of people who they did this, people, even a Usain Bolt thing, a lot of them just traveling and just reaching back in the yard and thing in the people. I get me, I say them not even should have they out there. You know what I mean? And I like them they there Jamaica for a long time and things. Some of them should have they in them house under isolation and a quarantine out before them do come out the road. So in the end, people, if you love yourself, you gotta protect yourself, and if you love your family, you gotta protect your family, and that's the NEWLINK said. So you don't know, that's I hope the best and hope say everything come great and everything come good for you, man. According to him, I say So you don't know, people. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, man. And we say attack, and you don't know the thing, people. If you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. And hit that notification bell icon says NEWLINK drop a video. You will get them. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Peace out. Attack them.